You attract what you are. Now, here, this sentence can be understood by two possible visions and ways. First, you are everything that you want to be. And second, you are the outcome of the things you want to have in your life. Both the meanings have only one perspective. That is, you are a powerful source of energy filled with extraordinary treasures. That is, always refined and replenished when you take up a challenge and determine yourself worthy of desires you want to have in life. Your life is your choice. Live it fully. Be who you are. Do what you want. Explore what you want to have and create what you want in your life to be. Know yourself. Be the real you. Whatever you want from others, first give it out to them in the first place. Arrange yourself to give before you expect anything from others. Now here, when we talk about giving out certain things and maintaining a lifestyle, I'm not at all talking about materialistic things or luxuries. I'm more focused on that one thing that is the most important thing to be maintained. That one thing which is the utmost mandatory to be kept, to sharpen and to be maintained, that will help you to access everything you want in your life. That one thing is your own mindset and vision combined to provide you explicit results. Both of them has full-fledged power to provide you everything you desire for or wish to have. You need to design your mind in order to drive passion every time you wish for a certain goal you have, every time you plan your day to be a success with greater opportunities, every time you dream of something better in your life. Your mind is an attractive force to outsource and plan to create everything you admire. Your thoughts are the crystal clear roads to be led on for an aerial view of a beautiful dream you want in your life to be created as your own destiny. Remember, you are everything you admire and you want in your life. You attract exactly who you are. If you want your dream car, you want a dream job, you want luxury, you want more money filled in your bank account, or you want to live your dream life, create a mindset to work for it. Drive every possibility to attract your dream towards you. Grab every opportunity you have to create the best possible way to lead what you want in life. Let's take an example. Tell me what you do when you have certain food cravings. Let's say burger or pizza. You generally have an image that interests you and attracts you to have it. And now, if you are a health conscious person, you might try to control it. But when it goes to your mind that drives you crazy to have it, you just order it with what you have. Like that, it's so general thing to be done in this era. Just like that, when you have a dream to relish, you drive a crazy passion for it to work in accordance with the possibility to cherish it as soon as possible in your life. Treat yourself with a pint of success as your uncontrollable cravings. Every day it's so hard to be conscious enough to get the best out of the day. Seek opportunity in every step you take. Be the best you to lead success in every curve you intake. Show yourself that whatever you dream of, you have an abundance of capabilities to make it a great success. Claim your dreams with your best efforts every day. Build a successful journey by cultivating the best opportunity every day. Measure your progress, not with the results you are getting at the end of the day, but with yesterday's efforts you've applied on. Focus on adding extra efforts daily and creating the best out of the opportunities you have, thereby creating your own opportunity for you every day. Because you are the creator and the only owner of your dreams. Everything is based on what you are and what you want in life.